This is Jammulu Shivanagasai studying triple second year in AANM and VVRSR Polytechnic Kudlavalleru. My pin is 18030 triple 049. So today I would like to do program in MATLAB on maximum power transfer theorem. So first of all I am going to MATLAB app. So now I select files. So I select new file. Now I am doing maximum power transfer theorem programming. So for this I give name to the new file, that is maximum power transfer. Okay, so first of all, when we say the maximum power to be transmitted from source to load, when the load resistance equal to source resistance, in that condition only the total power can be transmitted from source to load. So what is maximum power transfer theorem and what is the statement? The maximum power in the circuit can be transferred from a source to load when the load resistance is equal to internal resistance of the source. So for this we have to do program. So let us assume the source voltage and source resistance. So V equal to 12 volts as a source voltage and Rs is the source resistance. I assume 2 ohms. So now I vary the resistance, load resistance from 0 to 4 ohms with the step of 0.1 ohm with respect to the load resistance. We need to variable V equal to 12, R equal to 2, R is equal to 2 is the parameters. Initially I take parameters V source is equal to 12 volts and source resistance equal to 2 ohms. So we need to vary the load resistance. For that we need to calculate the power. So number of times we need to give command. For that I used a loop. So there are conditional loops and for loop and etc etc, condition control, loop control. So now I am using loop control, that for loop. So now I am using for loop. So I is equal to 1 is 1 is 1, not 1, 41. Why I am taking like this, a 1 is 41? Because why I am taking 41? The 41, so I explained in the next step, that is I wrote a array that RL of I is equal to I into 0.1 minus 0.0.1. This is one of the array. So initially I tell what I told, RL varies from 0 to 4 ohms. So why I am taking 41? Because if you take RL as a 41, RL of I equal to 41, then I substitute I as a 41. So now you see 41 into 0.1, 4.1 minus 0.1, 4. So you saw what? So RL is equal to 4 up to I vary 4 ohms. So this is, and I wrote, so I need to calculate the power. So what power? So power at every, so current increasing. So now P is equal to, we know P equal to V Thevenin by R Thevenin plus R load and load resistance. So we know P equal to I square RL for this. So for this I wrote Pi is equal to, carefully wrote this, type this, V by bracket V, sorry, RL of I plus RS. Here I am giving two brackets. So I square. So what is I? I equal to V by RL of I plus RS. So I square, I square. So I am rewrite this, that V by RL of I plus RS into, so this is totally I square into R is there. So that's why in R plus I am writing RL of I, semicolon, end this program. So I have to plot the graph. So for that I take plot of RL comma P. So I execute this. So I saw a plot graph. So in graph we saw the maximum at 2. This is the maximum at 2 ohms. So maximum at 2 ohms means the maximum power can be transferred at 2 ohms. So when the load resistance is equal to source resistance, then the total power can be transmitted from source to load. So this is the program of maximum power transfer theorem in MATLAB. So thank you.